Hi, this is Don, Cowboy Biker Adventures. Today I have for you drone footage of Miami Everglades RV Resort, which is an Encore park. I did a 360 video of this park and I'll link that above. So sit back and enjoy and relax with the music. I think you're gonna like it.
And I'm gonna say that I wanna let you in. I don't want it any other way. Let's go for the win. And it feels like a whisper in the morning rain. When somebody tells you, will we ever be the same again? I still hear you whisper, still hear you whisper. Try to open up your eyes. Do you feel like you are more alive? When you fight, when you fight, when you fight, when you fight. I'm done here now, I pack my things. I'll be gone for quite a while. You said I want to try to angel wings. In the sky, in the sky, in the sky, in the sky. Well, you're almost like a ball, and I'm gonna say that I wanna let you in. I don't want it any other way. Let's go for the win. And it feels like a whisper in the morning rain. When somebody tells you, will we ever be the same again? I still hear you whisper, still hear you whisper.
Thank you for watching. Until next time, have a good one.